So, g'day people, how you going today? Today I'm back in the countryside, back at Toorong Reservoir to get some photos of some animals. But today, I just want to show you something that's Bonza. That hill behind me looks Bonza. Have a look at it, it just looks so beautiful. It's got a few trees, luscious grass, and this cow that just keeps going moo. It's just it wants attention. It wants me to go over there and pet it. Maybe I should do it. So, what does Bonza mean? So, let me show you another place that's Bonza. Also behind me, Bonza. That forest is Bonza. That's a native forest. You can't go in there because it's part of our water catchment. It's where we get our water from. But Bonza, Bonza actually means it is great. It is grouse. It is awesome. It is something that you really, really like. So I had a look on YouTube to see if anyone else made the word Bonza, but all I got was Bonza vaping. You know, vaping where you get like it's like an artificial cigarette. You smoke it, ooh, like they haven't got anything else in their life to do. So that's all I find. And in that Bonza vaping, Bonza just means grouse. So really good vapor. So that's what it means, a good vapor, Bonza vapor. And well, I actually use this word a lot, but a lot of Australians don't really know what this word means, especially those who come from overseas. A lot of people in the countryside would know what a Bonza means. So to use this in a sentence, you would say, see that forest over there? That forest is Bonza. I really like it. It's a Bonza forest. Or you could say, this hat. This is a Bonza hat, mate. Really Bonza hat, mate. So you're just saying that that's a really good hat. Or we have farmland here. Looks like, yeah, they're grazing horses. So horses are grazers, they eat grass. If it eats grass or things on the ground, it's a grazer. If it eats trees like that one there, it's a browser. Browsers eat things high up in the sky. Grousers eat things down low. Maybe I'll do another video on that. Ooh. Here comes a Cessna. Looks like a Cessna anyway. So, Bonza. When you think of something is really good, just say, that's Bonza, mate. I really love it. It's like getting an airplane. That's a Bonza airplane, mate. It's a really good airplane. So, when you come to Australia and you're at immigration and they go, oh, why you want to come to Australia? Just say, Australia's Bonza, mate. And they will let you in straight in. Actually, I don't know if that's true, but anyway, that's a new word. So, if you're in Australia, use it. Just use Bonza. Trying to get Australian slang back into use. So thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome English learning time. If you're in Australia, just enjoy it, because Australia's pretty peaceful. Have a good one, mate. Hooroo.